right, Chevrolet fans. Personally, one of my favorite body styles. That fastback look. 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline two-door Aerosedan. Just the name of this car is cooler than any cars they make these days. And the chrome and the bright work on this. Underneath the hood, inline six-cylinder, 216 cubic inches. Paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission with a shifter on the column. Take a look at that front end. Chrome and bright work in the grille and the bumper, hood, and a beautiful medium blue metallic paint. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. Almost looks like it's wet. Steel wheels, Chevrolet wheel covers or hubcaps. Wide white wall bias ply tires. Great look on this car. Take a look down this passenger side. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Does have rear view mirrors added to the side. Bench seat, cloth interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. I want to show you that radio. It's actually working. Technician also noted the heaters works, the wipers worked. It's had a fresh oil change. Newer wheel cylinders. Brakes are 85% in the front, 80% in the rear. That's what's remaining. Still a 6-volt system. And it does have a new generator and regulator. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Also nice shape. There's that fastback look from the rear. And once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these late 40s cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And if you are interested in this one, give a call or email soon. These usually don't last too long. Very popular cars, no doubt about that. You can see up and down that driver's side too. That paint shows well. This car would be a fun one to drive and or show. All right, door panel, cloth vinyl combination. Again, bench seat. Now I will let you know this camera wants to wash out that blue a little bit. It looks almost a little gray in this video and in the pictures too. And I don't know if I can really get back far enough away, but it is more of a blue than really a gray. And just letting you know the camera washes that out a little bit. Aftermarket temp gauge has been added underneath the dash. That's the switch for the blower motor. Of course, the starter is down on the floor. All right, first of all, I want to let you know how you see the key right there. Straight up and down is on. So let me reach. So right there is on, straight up and down. Before we start it, I want to show you this. This is great. It's backlit.
Rise is a statewide effort to help tell a bigger story.
AM radio working and sounding great. This is your starter button here. So we're going to go ahead and just push it. Keys on. And it fires right up. Choke right here, silver pull out. You can see the end of my finger. There you go. We are in neutral. Visors in place, headline or dome light working. Listen to that. Just purrs. Inline 6, again, 216 cubic inches. Hood release is in here. Right there. And can I get this one one-handed? Let's check it out. Piece of cake. If you want to do any decoding, VIN number, data tag in the cowl, that'll be in the still pictures. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Got a single carb. That motor doesn't even move when it's running. Look at that. There you go, 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline two-door Aerosedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and yes, stick around. Jason's going to hop in, take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus!
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline. Beautiful sloping fastback rear end on this car. Bright metallic blue. Looking great. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. And if you can drive any standard transmission with a clutch, you can drive 3-on-the-tree. Got one car to wait for. We've got some stock gauges that appear to be working, and one aftermarket gauge down below the dash for the temperature that's reading about 140, 150. As it warms up, the speedometer is working. Oil pressure as we're accelerating is around 25. When you're cruising, a little closer to 15, which is just fine for this engine. The battery's charging over halfway on the gauge. The fuel tank reads a half of a tank. Now the factory temperature gauge reads 180, and that kind of just hangs around there, so I would trust the new gauge under the dash. What else is cool? We have a radio that works just fine. And also, to me, is really clear and very receptive. It's an excellent radio. Up here, switch, easily variable for the wipers, slower, faster, the farther you turn it. And they're working great. Clock equipped over here. I cannot see if that's counting the time, but symmetrical look to the speedometer is a cool thing. Horn sounds great. Nice pattern on the stitching on the fabric inside the car, the seats matching the door panels. In shades of blue, matching the headliner as well, which is a solid blue. Got big vent windows with their own cranks. Just crank them and it's natural ventilation. Crank it all the way, it'll blow the air right in your lap and keep you comfy. You can hear those tires leaning a little bit as I accelerate through the corners. Luxurious in the corners. Very easy to drive. Smooth running. Chevrolet, as most of them are. Find all the pictures of this 48 Fleetline at uniqueclassiccars.com.